what is the relationship between the responsibility matrix, COBie, LOI, and your schedules? So the LOI is telling you how much data you need to be able to output from the model. So if you have a door schedule set up in Revit, in your door schedule you have your door type, your name, your dimensions, your fire rating, and so on. Those are the LOI information that you need to have in your schedules. And what LOI you need, or what type of schedules you need for the project, should be written out in your responsibility matrix. The responsibility matrix lists all the different components that you need: doors, windows, walls, ceilings, and so on. And under each section of the geometry in the responsibility matrix, you then have your data, your schedules that you need to output. Some of that data is going to be a COBie requirement. The COBie requirement is there for the facilities manager later on to manage the building and knowing what type of information they need to use. For example, if a fan stops working, they need to know the installation date, they need to know what type of fan it is, they need to know who to contact, they need to know what type of warranty period, and so on. And that type of management information is COBie data. And the confusion is often on projects is that we have schedules and then we have COBie, and COBie is treated as something different. But in reality, for the user, for the average architect and engineer, schedules is just schedules. Output is just output. Information that is listed in the responsibility matrix is just information that needs to be outputted. Some of it will be COBie and some of it will not be COBie. But as we are setting up the technical resources, as we are setting up, for example, Revit in an office, we then configure the schedules and the output from the software to include the relevant COBie information and the standard schedules. So it shouldn't be any misconception in between COBie and non-COBie information. It's all information. It's all LOI. Some is COBie and some is not COBie.